Zach wanted to see the snow and come out in it while it was snowing good. What do you think? This is different than the snow in the mountains, right?
Yeah, and I got some snow in my eye.
Yeah. What do you think, Brad?
Yes!
Look up here, see if we can get a shot of the snow through all the lights. It's, so far, a good inch has come down. There you go, the trees are a good indicator.
Can I hold the camera?
Yeah, be careful. There you go.
Yep.
Hello. Here, look, point it down the street.
Well, it's really snowing a lot.
You like it? Isn't that crazy?
And Bradley likes it. Say hi to the people watching, Bradley.
Say hi, Grandma. Grandmas will watch this. Say hi.
Hi, Grandma. And Grandma says hi back to you.
Okay.